Also, there are 2 cleaning cycles on the tub. It will come on defaulted at 8 o'clock normally in the morning, about 10 o'clock at night. So it's important you set your time, otherwise this could be going off in the middle of the night. What will happen is all the pumps will come on, it will start pumping the water everywhere. That's when the ozone comes on and kills the natural bacteria in the water as well. And basically that will run for a short period of time, so don't be alarmed if you come out and you hear everything going and your pumps all running. It's just going through its cleaning cycles. It will do that, as I say, twice a day. The other thing that I've got to mention is obviously when the electrician is here and he's got everything connected and it's switched on, it's a good idea just to check that other things are working, like i.e. if you've got an iPod, just check the iPod is working, switched on, or the DVD player and the TV. If you've got a TV model, which is one is here, you'll have a small control panel here, up and down, and a little stop button. If you press the up button, you'll see here the TV will start to rise. Now what we recommend is, while the electrician is there, is just check that this is lit up red and it does work. Simple reason is, again, you can get a loose cable whilst in transit. There's a plug that goes actually upside down into the underneath of the TV box, and it's called the dim plug, and sometimes that can just fall out. So recommend, before you screw it all back on, just check TV's working, or the iPod if you've got the iPod version, and as you can see the TV will rise up and then it will stop at the top.